I chose yellow because it symbolizes positive energy, creativity, and imagination, exactly what the Excel Public School is all about. Here, children express themselves through creativity and imagination. Their curriculum is very detailed, focusing on experiential learning over rote learning. All activities are planned with a purpose to keep children involved in creative ways to enhance specific skills such as problem solving, freedom of expression, independent thinking, etc. Children blossom when they connect with nature. There is an ample outdoor learning experience beautifully woven into the Excel Public School curriculum. The experienced faculty members are loving and provide a lot of personalized attention. The meticulously designed assessments capture a holistic picture of a child's interests and strengths, which is a bonus as it is highly regarded by high school at the time of admissions. What's amazing is that they constantly update themselves to match the best practices in early childhood education so that your child does not miss out. Admissions open. Check them out for more.